How you guys are gonna be logging into iTunes? So it's pretty simple to log in into iTunes. So follow the step which I'm gonna be showing you. Now I'm gonna make it guys clear. If you guys think iTunes there's like you need to create a separate account for iTunes, then you guys are wrong, because if you guys have an Apple ID, then basically you're good to go, because to open iTunes you need to have Apple ID, because iTunes is owned by Apple company, so they're both under Apple. So if you guys have an Apple ID, basically you guys can open iTunes or login into iTunes. You do not have to create another iTunes account. So when we are going to be logging into iTunes right now, which I'm going to be showing you, you guys need to use your Apple ID's information like your Gmail and your password of your Apple ID to log in into it. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. Let's search for iTunes. After you search for iTunes, you want to go on where it says iTunes over here at the first. You want to click on it. After you click on it, it's going to take you over here. Once you're over here, you want to click on this little shopping bag looking icon. After you click on it, you want to go on where it says sign in. Once you click on sign in, it's going to take you to the sign in page. Now over here, as you guys can see, it's asking for an Apple ID. You need to enter an Apple ID and an Apple ID's password and click on sign in. And if the information you entered over here is correct, you should be able to sign in into your account. And if you guys forgot your password somehow, you can always click on forgot your Apple ID or password to recover your account. And if you guys, don't have an Apple ID until now, so you guys can access iTunes. For that, you can click on don't have an Apple ID, and it's gonna take you to the place where you guys can create an Apple ID. So for those people who don't have Apple ID, create one and sign in into iTunes. And for your mobile, basically just, go on setting and go to your account and log in into your Apple ID. After logging into your Apple ID, you should be able to use your iTunes on your phone. It's that simple.